If you've ever tried to build something like a real estate website, a directory, or even a course platform, you've probably faced this problem. You have two different types of content, and you want them to be connected. In this tutorial, we talk about bidirectional relationships using advanced custom post type, currently among the most affordable custom post type plugins I know of, in WordPress with a user interface to fall in love with. For example, agents and properties, teachers and courses, doctors and clinics. Confused between how many doctors will be in one clinic or vice versa. In this video, I'll show you how to create two custom post types using ACPT, how to connect them using a bidirectional relationship, and finally, how to display those connections using Bricks Builder, without writing any custom PHP and without focusing on design. This is a pure functionality tutorial, so if you're serious about building dynamic WordPress websites, this one is important. Let us quickly set up our WordPress demo website on local WP setup. We will install ACPT, Bricks Builder, and activate the respective licenses. I will speed up this part as I am assuming you know this, but placing it here for anyone who doesn't or uses another software for the same purpose. Before we touch WordPress, let me clearly explain what we're building, because this is where most confusion happens. We'll create two custom post types, one called agents and one called properties. Now the relationship is simple. One agent can manage multiple properties, but each property belongs to only one agent. The important part is this. When I assign a property to an agent, I also want WordPress to automatically know that this property belongs to that agent. That's what a bidirectional relationship means. So later, when we use Bricks Builder, we can easily say, show me all properties related to this agent, or show me the agent related to this property. Once you understand this logic, you can reuse it in almost any project.
For this tutorial, I'm assuming you already have WordPress installed, Bricks Builder activated, and ACPT, Advanced Custom Post Types installed. I'm not using JetEngine, ACF, or any other dynamic plugins here. Everything you see will be done using ACPT plus Bricks only. Also, I'm not focusing on styling, typography, or layout.
Let's start by creating our first custom post type, which will be agents. I'll go to ACPT, then Post Types, and click on Add New. I'll name this post type agent for singular and agents for plural. The slug will be agent. I'm keeping this extremely minimal. I'll enable the title, because we need the agent name, and I'll enable featured image, in case later we want to show agent photos. I'm not adding any custom fields right now because relationships are our focus. You can always add phone numbers, email, or experience later. Once this is done, I'll save the post type. Now let's create the second custom post type, which will be properties. Again, I'll click Add New. Singular name will be property, plural will be properties, and the slug will be property. Just like before, I'll keep it clean and simple. Title is enabled for the property name. Featured image for property photos. In real projects, properties usually have price, location, size, and so on. But those are just fields. The relationship logic remains exactly the same, so we'll skip them here. I'll save this post type. This is the most important part of the entire tutorial, so pay close attention here. I'll add simple text field to properties custom post type. Click on Create under Field Groups column to create a field group for properties, and now name it Properties Field Group. Add that text field here and name this Agent Assigned. Now head over to Custom Post Types and click on Create Field Group for Agent's Custom Post Type.
Add a new field, name it Properties Assigned. Field type should be Relations. There, select from Enter Directions. Select Agent Assigned field from the Properties post type for Relationship. Select One-to-Many bidirectional. One agent can have many properties, but each property should be connected to only one agent. So I'll set from post type as agent to post type as property. What this means is, if I connect a property to an agent from one side, ACPT automatically keeps both sides in sync. This saves you from manual linking, duplicated fields, and complicated queries later. Once everything looks good, I'll save this relationship. Now let's actually add some content, because relationships only make sense when you see them in action. I'll create two agents, let's say Agent 1 and Agent 2. After that, I'll create a few properties. Now, when I open a property, you'll notice a new relationship field. From here, I can select which agent this property belongs to. I'll assign multiple properties to one agent. And if I open the agent post, you'll see that ACPT already knows which properties are connected. This confirms that our bidirectional relationship is working correctly. Now let's move to Bricks Builder and display this data on the front end. I'll go to Bricks, then Templates, and create a new single template for agents. Inside the template, I'll add a heading and set it to Dynamic Data, Post Title. This will show this template name on front end. We need it to show agent name, so we need to go to Template Settings. There, select Post Type as agents to filter data from agent's custom post type. Open an agent single page and see if it now shows agent name. Come back to Backend, and below Heading, I'll add a block which would hold a heading and image of property. This block will then have Query Loop enabled. Normally, in Query Loop we select a post type. Here we will select Property Assigned. So the properties assigned to this agent will show up. Bet you didn't know this. This saves a lot of time of searching of where to add condition. This means, when I open Agent 1, only the properties connected to Agent 1 will appear. This is the power of structured relationships. Next, we'll do the reverse. We'll show the assigned agent on each property page. I'll create another single template, this time for properties. From the Dynamic Data options, I'll choose the Relationship field and select Agent Assigned in Query Loop as before. This will automatically output the agent name related to this property. And just like that, we have data flowing both ways. No custom code. No duplicated fields. Just clean, structured data. If this helped you understand relationships better, subscribe for more ACPT and Bricks-focused tutorials.